Neighbour using police-provided, fitted video doorbell to abuse us. Based in Wales. We live opposite a woman that is seemingly unhinged. We've never spoken to her, but on the odd occasion she will shout random abuse at us, claiming all sorts of unfounded allegations and threatening to have us arrested. She constantly has the police round to visit her. I assume to complain, make allegations. Previously, we've tried to be compassionate because she's obviously not well psychologically. However, during the last month I witnessed the police fitting, and therefore I assume they also provided a video doorbell for her. I have two issues with this. 1. Previously, if she's wanted to shout abuse at us, she's had to hang out of her first floor window. She lives in a coach house, and therefore she's had to be motivated to do it. However, she's now using the intercom mic of the doorbell to abuse us without having to show her face, or maybe even be at the property at all. I strongly feel that the doorbell has empowered her craziness and increased the frequency of abuse we are receiving. Are the police liable for any part of this, considering they've facilitated it by providing